Hey everyone, so the bad news is we don't have internet still. Womp womp. But the good news is I can share with you the top 3 things that you must do in order to increase your closing ratio and to close more deals and to accelerate your deals from first touch to a close one as quickly as possible. So that would be your deal velocity. The first thing that I always do on every call is disqualify. In order to disqualify, some of the questions that you can ask would be, is this an exploratory call or is it an initiative? Did you get buy-in from everyone, your wife, for instance, or did you get buy-in from the leadership team before doing this exploratory call or this hopping on this qualifying call? The second thing you must do is the complete opposite, reverse engineer. This is called qualifying. You should always have a set of questions that will allow you to understand whether the prospect is a fit or not. And there are many types of playbooks out there to question whether it's a fit, such as BANT, budget, authority, need, timeline. There's GPR. There's also MEDDIC. I really like MEDDIC. It's MEEDDICC. I'll put it in the link below on how to use those questions. But make sure you have that discussion in order to understand what is important to the prospect. And that way, you can provide value. The final principle, the third and most important that I always ask in a call in order to close a deal or disqualify a deal is, of course, it's by Richard Harris. It's called the respect contract. It's making sure you have expectations, clear expectations on the call. So on every call, I always set it up with something like this. At the end of the call, let's agree to either make a decision to move forward or not. If it is a software platform, I'll give them 2 weeks to make a decision. If it is an enterprise client, I'll give them a month to make a decision. But you have to put a timeline to make a decision. It's a yes or a no. And it's okay to say no because you don't want to be stuck on that deal. And the only way to understand is by getting a decisive answer. That's it. I hope you like the content. If you like it, subscribe to my YouTube channel on YouTube. Thank you for watching me on LinkedIn. And be sure to comment in the chat box below. All right. Have a happy Monday. And I hope my internet comes back tomorrow. Bye, guys.